I welcome you to Gornja Radguna. This is a beautiful town, even though it's small. I will host a tour on the 12th of January. You will see a lot of statues and different sites. You can come book the tour at my agency, which is placed near the castle.
Michael, can we go on the tour of Gornja Radguna? It seems very beautiful.
Where did you get that idea?
I saw an ad on TV.
Okay, it seems very interesting. I mean, can learn a lot about that small town.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, hello!
Hello, my name is Matis Horvat.
And my name is Mikhail Glušić.
My name is Gaspar Manko. Can I help you?
Yes, we saw your ad on a TV for a tour of Gornja Radguna.
Oh yeah, the tour of Gornja Radguna. Would you like to go on a tour with me?
Yes, sure.
Okay, let's go. There you can see the castle.
It's so beautiful.
And there you can see the castle's park. In the park there are some animals. Do you want to see the church?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Here you can see the church.
It's so big and beautiful.
Yes, it is. But indoors the church is more beautiful. But we can't go inside. Okay, let's go to the big ones. These are the statues of the big ones.
There's so many.
Here you can see the river Mura and bridge between Slovenia and Austria. And on this point our tour has ended. Did you like it?
Yes, it was a great adventure.
Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And nice to meet you. Okay, and see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.